This is just some pretty straightforward algebra, but I'd hate to lose points at this point because of laziness, so show your work. There is a very common mistake that people make, and I know from experience that this -2 is going to be a problem. They're hoping that I mess up the distribution. So I literally draw those arcs so that I don't forget to distribute, because I know that if I'm moving fast, that's a mistake that I tend to make. Even with years of experience, like, it's just one of those things I do. So pay attention to your common algebra mistakes and, put little steps in your process so you don't make them. So I'm going to just rewrite the first part. I'm not going to do any work to that because there's nothing that needs to be distributed there. And I don't want to do two math steps at once. I'm already dealing with one that's prone to mistakes. Why add anything on top of that? So now the -2 gets distributed. So the first part is going to be -2x squared. -2 times -2x is plus 4x. And then -2 times -1 is plus 2. And now that that's all written out, I can move on to the next piece of this, which is to combine like terms. So -3x squared minus 2x squared is -5x squared. 5x plus 4x is 9x. And -2 plus 2, those cancel out, so we're just done. This would be our result, but we aren't being asked for that. We can't bubble that, so we're being asked for the value of b. And so it might be helpful to kind of match this up here. The thing that they're asking for is really just like, this is kind of like a last little cosmetic step for the question, is we just want to say, okay, the 9 is attached to the single x, the b is attached to the single x, therefore the b is the 9, right? This is just like a way of organizing the coefficients. So it's not really even a math step at that point. It's just like following the instruction. It's a weird instruction, but this is something the SAC does to kind of ask for something simple from something complex. So just get used to this. You're likely to see something like this again.